Are you concerned that restoring data over the internet will just take too long? If you do need to restore your data, then you want it to happen as quickly as possible. The longer you have to wait, the more stressful it's going to become. You can't relax until everything's back as it should be. So to reduce that stress of waiting for your data to download across the internet and to get your files back even quicker, we have a solution, and it's called a local speed vault. This can be a local internal or external drive on your computer. It can also be a network share on a server. So a local speed vault lets you restore your files or even an entire server much more quickly than doing it across the internet, meaning that you can get back to work sooner with the minimal amount of stress and time lost. Once configured, the local speed vault is no more difficult to manage, and it's all completely automatic. The results from your speed vault also get included in your daily backup report. It's also just as secure as the main backup because everything's fully encrypted. So you'd need a username, a password, and an encryption key to get anywhere near that data. If you'd like to find out more about how backups work or which type would be of most benefit to you, you can do that by visiting our website, hahosting.com, where we've got plenty of other videos and blogs all about data backup. You can also ask any questions via the website, and I'll answer them as soon as I possibly can. Remember, it's very easy to do your data backup, but it's also just as easy not to.